My name is Bettina Schmauder. My husband and I have been running the Schmauder Rau car dealership here in Kirchheim-on-Dutek for 25 years. We're an independent garage offering Ford servicing, accident repair services and a specialist tyre shop. As an automotive service provider offering everything to do with mobility, we have spent the past 4 years developing our expertise in electromobility and have even built electric vehicles, particularly street scooters, in the workshop. Automechanica gives us a look at the bigger picture, particularly now, at a time when we don't know what direction our industry is moving in. It is extremely important for us to keep on top of any new developments and clever new ideas. It's very, very important for us to build on our relationships with industry experts there and to make new contacts, as well as to learn what our colleagues are doing. That's what Automechanica is all about for us.